Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. Starting at the stern, we have a 250 horsepower Mercury engine, large swim platform. You got your seating here at the stern, where the back can be adjusted to face in any position you like. The back seating here is also able to come forward, leaving you a much larger swim platform. Can be pushed back with a gentle push, giving you that big open cabin, the wraparound seating all throughout. Cup holders set up for your picnic table, plenty of storage under the cushions. Here on the starboard side we have additional seating in front of the helm, where you'll find your throttle, your Fusion stereo speaker, your switches, and your Simrad screen. You notice the Fusion stereo speakers and stainless steel handrails all throughout the boat. So we make our way into the cabin. Fully functional head, which can easily be turned into a sleeping cabin as this drops down. Moving forward into the bow, plenty more seating, nice storage space for your cooler, more cup holders, speakers. Again, this is the Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. For any additional questions, any information, please feel free to give us a call at 617-288-1000. Thank you and have a great day.